Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp channel for free. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for stay tuned and more updates. Like the video and share the video. Also comment below if you like this video. The next step is you have to go to your WhatsApp, and here you have to go to channels and status portion. After going here, you can see three dots. There is an option, click on that. This option appears on a screen, create channel, status, privacy. So you have to press on create channel. Create channel is basically similar to all social medias app like YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. Here you can post videos and everyone that follows you can see your post. It's a social media account. Like channels, like similar to the YouTube channels, you can upload more videos and shots, all that. So hope so you understand what is a channel mean. So create a channel to reach unlimited followers. When you create your channel, anyone on your WhatsApp can see this channel and anyone can follow you and access to your videos. So now you have to read terms and condition. Anyone can discover your what you like. Anyone can see what you upload and can follow you and can follow your all the videos, like your videos and all that. So this is basically similar to all social media app. So you have to press on create a channel. After pressing on create a channel, there are three options appear. You have to select add photo, channel photo and channel name and channel description. Like what is description means what is the content of your channel, and name you have to select, like if your content is about gaming, if your content is about information, if your content is about anything else, you have to write name according to that and give a description about that, what are you going to show to your followers. So hope so you understand what I'm talking about. So here my channel is of, if I'm making a channel on WhatsApp about information, so I name is at info, and here this is channel about info about anything else. What is your content, you have to type 3 to 4 sentences about that. Then you have to press on create channel. So your channel is created. Now how to add a photo, press on how to add a photo. You can take a live photo, you can choose your photo from Google or library. You can also emoji or sticker as your profile photo and search web, and you can also use AI generated photo from Meta.